Whoa! Hello everyone, we're here. We are about to try the new drink craze in town here in Perth, the DIY Taiwan Boba Milk Tea. My son will demonstrate on how to make this DIY milk tea.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make boba tea. So step 1, you add hot water to this measuring cup. Make sure it's a quarter. And then you add the hot water into this jar. Alright, and add the powder mix into the jar. Alright, and you can use a spoon or a fork to mix the powder. Or just add a little bit more hot water. Alright, now step 2. The boba, the one with the bowls, this one needs to be microwaved. This one can be just microwave normally, and it has to be.
Hold on, before we continue, please make sure that you follow the instructions carefully to avoid any accident like this. Whoa! And make sure before putting it in a microwave, make a small tear to the boba packet. Please make a small hole, or you can cut it through the whole pocket before putting it inside the microwave.
That's hot.
Come on, you use the hand towel. Don't touch it by your bare hands.
Alright. Once it's prepared, you will have to add it into the jar.
Careful, it's still hot.
Yeah.
Use the hand towel.
And slowly come in.
Oh, come on.
And then you add the milk into it. Or just around there, so you can add the ice. And then mix. Once mixed, you add some ice onto the boba tea. And then to fill the rest up, you add the milk.
jungle.